Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and fix iPhone touchscreen not working after repair. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, if you haven't tried it already, try to force restart your iPhone by pressing and quickly releasing the volume up and then the volume down button, then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Also try to hardware recheck, which means go ahead and check the loose connectors. So the digitizer cable may not be securely attached to the logic board. Reopen the device and firmly reset all connectors. You could also inspect the screen digitizer flex cable for tears or damage caused during installation. Also, third-party screen protectors can also interfere with touch sensitivity. Go ahead and try to check that. And finally, try to system or software update. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.